welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking, thank you for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be unboxing this robot vacuum cleaner. So like you all know, I don't have help in my house, so to make work easy for me, I decided to get this, right? Myself and my husband decided to get this for the house for easy cleaning. Yeah. So we're going to be unboxing this today. Thank you to eShop for bringing this in for me. I'm going to put their details down below and also in the description box. You should visit them. They bring in so many things, and the good thing is they consolidate. So you shouldn't worry, even if it's just a pen or a spoon you want to bring in, it's possible. And it was bought from Amazon. I don't know if I mentioned that. So this is how the box looks. Hope you can see it. Eufy, that's the name, I guess. That's how to pronounce it. So this is how the box looks. I don't know if you saw the back very well. There. So we're going to be unboxing this today. Don't go anywhere, please stay tuned. Please wait, let me ask you. You're watching this video and you've not subscribed. Is that fair? Is that fair? Is that fair? Please click the subscribe button. I'm going to tilt the phone a bit. Yeah. Not that way, come on. There you go. And unbox it with you guys. I've been wanting to do this. My kids have been like, Mommy, let's use the vacuum. So we do it today, together. Thanks to eShop Nigeria for bringing this in for me. And this was actually purchased on Amazon. If you want to get things in, eShop Nigeria does a very good job. They actually consolidate. That's just the good thing about it. So even if it's a pen or a piece of wood you want to bring in, eShop can do that for you at a very cheap rate. Sorry, my voice. Where's my tea? At a very cheap rate. So let's bring this box out. Let's bring this beauty. It's heavy. Hey, Shimo. This is how it is. Empty box of one missing. Let's continue. So this is what it looks like. Here. up my home. I will let you know how effective it is. The reviews on Amazon were great, so that was why myself and my husband decided to purchase it, and we hope it makes work easy for us in the house. I will take some pictures or record while I use it, and if you have back pains as a woman, you can also purchase this. Just contact eShop down there. I put their contact down there. They can bring this in for you from Amazon. They do all the purchasing, they do all the clearing, everything, and bring it into Nigeria for you. I am based in Nigeria, so it makes work easy for me. Just send them your link of the products you want, everything. Most things I have in my house right now are from eShop and Amazon. It's from Amazon, but eShop brought them in, and it's been so easy for me, like getting things done. Like you can see my house, like everything is always in order. So thank you so much for watching, clicking this video. I really appreciate you. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. I wasn't paid for this, it's just my honest review. Yeah, so we're done for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, Nanny always says be you. You have to be you. Be you. Do everything you love to do. Be you, okay? Have a great day. Bye.